We reach for dry condiments to add flavor, but in food service, they do so much more. In this video, discover popular flavors, formats, and their growth across channels. Let's start with the classics. Salt, pepper, Parmesan, crushed red pepper, brown sugar, and cinnamon sugar. Want to stand out? Choose premium options. Parmesan made with real grated cheese or crushed red pepper with whole flakes delivers stronger flavor and a fresher, higher quality appearance. Even something simple like brown sugar can set you apart. Look for foil-lined packets to keep it soft and fluffy. Now let's talk about salt. Iodized salt is fine for the table. Non-iodized salt delivers a clean, neutral flavor and consistent appearance for recipes. There are even special varieties like fry salt, popcorn salt, and salt-free seasoning blends that give operators flexibility across applications. Spice and seasoning blends offer a fast, low-labor way to add variety, customization, and on-trend dishes to the menu. Think taco seasoning. It gives global flair to proteins and sides in a school cafeteria. Or dill pickle ranch that can transform fries into a social media worthy LTO. Some brands even create signature blends to drive loyalty and brand recognition. And now to the formats and channels. Dry condiments work across both front and back of house. In the front, flat packets are perfect for QSRs and grab and go, compact, cost efficient, and easy to slip into a carryout bag. Fluted packets feel more premium for dine-in or fast casual, featuring finer salt that clings better to fries. In the back, shakers and canisters stay on prep lines, while bulk formats like pails or bag-in-box keep high-volume kitchens moving. So from flavor to function, dry condiments are a versatile category touching nearly every food service channel. And as consumer tastes evolve, so do these products, offering endless ways to innovate, customize, and delight.